Hi guys, so I'm really sorry that I can't be there today. So my boyfriend's son Blake, he's not feeling well, so he is going to get tested tomorrow. And I'm feeling fine. I'm not sick, nothing like that, no symptoms. So just as a precaution, I'm staying home until his test comes back. And if it's negative, I can come back. Otherwise, if it is positive, I will be out for a bit. So, again, I'm really sorry. I know we had this goldfish experiment planned, so I'm super bummed about this, and I know you probably are too. So I'm sorry, but we will be doing our class virtually today. So, what I have planned now, if you were someone, because I know you're going to have questions about this, if you were someone who was going to take a goldfish home today, I won't be there, so you can't take a goldfish home today, unfortunately, but I will make sure that you get one. If you had a permission slip in, or if you brought one in today, you can give that to me whenever I get back. So you will still get one at some point. I just can't promise when that will be. Now, my thoughts right now are we probably will not be able to do the rest of the goldfish experiment, okay? And I'm really sorry about that, but we will have other fun experiments that will come up as well. So just bear with me. I'm doing what I can here, okay? So our plan for today, because we have to keep moving with the scientific method and process. So this is what I want you to do. So right now I'm in Schoology. You will go in the folder that we've been working in this whole time. So Nature of Science, the scientific process, and then scroll down. And these two things are what we're doing today. So the first thing is a video review. You'll click on that. Okay. And these are the Amoeba Sisters. I think they're super cute and fun to watch. So you're going to watch this just as a review. Now, when the video is done, you have a few questions to answer that come after it. Okay? Now, if you don't get it in the video, these things are in your notes too. So if you don't remember what the independent variable is, you can use your notes and find those answers. Okay? So watch the video and answer the questions. Watch the whole video, please. Okay? Then, once you are done with the video, you will go back into the scientific process. Now, make sure that you submit that assignment that I just went over. Okay, submit this on Schoology. Then go to scientific process questions. Okay, and view the attachment. Now, please ignore this. Ignore that. You're going to do all of the questions, okay? So read the scenario and then answer the questions that come after it. I'd like you to answer the questions in your notebook. You could use Notability, but I didn't leave a lot of space here, so you might want to just do it in your notebook, okay? So what is Susie Q's scientific question? You'll answer that. Okay, now I noticed an issue here. When it says, what is Susie Q's hypothesis? This is how I have my 10th graders write a hypothesis, but we write a hypothesis in the form of I think blank, okay? So when you write your hypothesis, you're going to write I think, okay? You can ignore that. Identify the independent and dependent variables, okay? The thing that's changed, the thing we measure. Find a control group. The control group does not get the treatment. And then list things that are constants. Do your best on this. Okay. Now, if you have any questions during class, I am going to be on the Google Meet the entire class period. So, if you have questions and you're like, I don't know what this answer is, I don't know how to find the control group, I need help, you can message me on the Google Meet. To log into the Google Meet, you're going to type in C. Messner. That's C-M-E-S-S-N-E-R. Okay? If you're struggling, let me know. Talk to me. Okay? I'm still here. Do your best. Answer all the questions. Then you're going to do the same thing here. Same thing for this question. So there's 3 scenarios. Remember, you don't need to worry about if-then format. Worry about I think blank. That's how we do hypotheses, okay? So when you're done, take a picture of your work and submit to Schoology. If you have any questions, I am on the Google Meet, okay? And I really hope to be back in school as soon as possible. So your 2 things to do today is to watch the video, submit the questions, and go through these 3 scenarios, and then submit a picture, okay? Update me on how you're doing. Whatever your progress is at the end of the hour, I want it uploaded on Schoology, whatever it is, okay? If you get through up to question B, but you don't finish C, I still want you to upload pictures of your answers so I can go on there and I can see how far we got. I need you to work the entire hour, okay? Just because there's not a teacher in your room watching you 24/7 does not mean it's time to goof off, okay? I'm serious. So I know you can do this. You got this. Have a great day.